bake the perfect NYC Steakhouse chocolate cake in under a minute. Craving a rich chocolate cake like they serve in NYC Steakhouses? You're just moments away from satisfying that sweet tooth. Let's make it quick and easy. Follow along with us to bake a cake that will impress your taste buds and your friends. Gather all your dry ingredients first: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. These basics are essential for a rich, moist cake. In a separate bowl, mix the ingredients. Start with 1 cup of milk. For a richer taste, whole milk is best. Add half a cup of vegetable oil, which helps keep the cake moist, and crack open 2 large eggs. Eggs are crucial for structure, helping the cake rise and keeping it tender. Combine the and dry ingredients carefully. Stir until the mixture is smooth and all lumps have disappeared. Mixing thoroughly ensures that the cake bakes evenly. You should have a glossy, chocolatey batter ready to go. Pour your creamy batter into a greased pan. For ease, use a 9-inch round or square pan. Don't forget to grease it. This ensures the cake can be easily removed after baking without sticking. Set your oven to 350 degrees or 175 degrees and bake for approximately 25 minutes. A toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean or with a few crumbs. Once the cake has cooled completely, it's time to add the finishing touch, the frosting. Choose your favorite chocolate frosting, whether it's a store-bought favorite or homemade. Spread generously over the top, smoothing it out with a spatula for a sleek finish. Cut your slice and relish every decadent bite. The rich texture and intense chocolate flavor are sure to be a crowd pleaser. Perfect for any occasion. Want to learn more delicious recipes? / and visit our website for more sweet inspirations.